Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating an Excel spreadsheet in Python can be achieved using the openpyxl library. This library allows you to work with Excel files, including creating new ones, modifying existing ones, and more. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a simple Excel spreadsheet using Python. Before you begin, make sure you have the openpyxl library installed. You can install it using the following command. Once the library is installed, you can start by importing the necessary module in your Python script. In openpyxl, a workbook is the top-level container for all information in an Excel file. A workbook can contain one or more sheets. To create a new workbook and add a sheet to it, use the following code. Now, let's add some data to the spreadsheet. You can populate individual cells by specifying their row and column indices. After adding data, save the workbook to a file using the save method. Here's the complete Python script. This script creates a new Excel file named example.xlsx with a sheet containing names and ages. You can customize the script to suit your specific requirements and data. ChatGPT.